going on, bro?
Seeing them fail, but then having them learn from that, find some success.
We used this website to hook up the controller that's connected to the drone so that we can code the drone to go onto these targets around and land on them.
It's going to take some trial and error with the block programming that we're going to use to kind of fly these things to those different targets, okay? They have their controllers. They kind of see how the drones work with triggers and the analog sticks. Then I kind of bring them back. How could we, without the controller, move this drone? They basically try to program it so that it goes to the different targets.
We have to click the run command, and then it will start the command that's under this block.
Block coding is, you already have a set of commands that you can kind of pick from. You're just dragging and dropping those and making a string of lines of code.
To start it, we have to use the takeoff block, so it will lift up the drone. And then we use this up command to make it even higher so it wouldn't be affected by the tables. Then we used a go forward and a land, so it would go forward to the next target and then it would land.
Sometimes we fail, but then we have to keep trying to find a way, I mean, we kept on laughing because it'd go all everywhere, and then at one point it got around across the whole cafeteria. It was so funny.
Going into it, they have a predetermined thing about what is going to be the problems. Then they go to code it, and then they realize, well, this is not flying the same way each time. Well, it's a little bit drafty in that room in the cafeteria. They have to kind of adjust and make those adjustments on the fly. Hey, that's good.
We were pretty successful. Sometimes the drone messed up, and we couldn't get it all the way around the course, but we did pretty good.
One of the big frustrations was due to the drone's tendency to fly off and do its own thing. The airflow, I think, is probably due to the size and the propellers.
They just enjoy the process of it. They enjoy working with their friends. Now what? Oh, you're getting there.
So you speak drone then?
Pretty much.
Yeah, I guess. You want to say, I guess?
Hey, that's pretty good. That's the best I've seen all day.
Did you get hit by a drone in there?
I almost did. I had to dodge a few. There was a lot of chaos going on, but I mean, I think I did a pretty good job of staying low to the ground.